උපාධි පිරිනැමීම සඳහා 2019 වසරේ උපාධි සැවරුම් උත්සවයේ මෙම සතිවාරයේ දැන් නැවත ආරම්භ කරමි. I declare the current session of the year 2019 ceremonial graduation requirements for the conferment of degrees.
பட்டங்கள் வழங்குவதற்கென 2019ஆம் ஆண்டிற்கான சம்பிரதாயபூர்வமான பட்டமளிப்பு வைபவத்தின் தற்போதைய அமர்வை மீள ஆரம்பித்து வைக்கிறேன்.
කොළඹ විශ්වවිද්‍යාලයේ කුලපති ස්වාමීන්ද්‍රයන් වහන්සේ, පාලක සභාවේ සමාජිකයින්, මණ්ඩපාධිපති, පීඨාධිපතිවරුන්, ආයතන අධ්‍යක්ෂකවරුන්, ලේකකාධිකාරී, මූල්‍යාධිකාරී, වැඩබලන පුස්තකාලාධිපති, අධ්‍යයන සහ සහායක කාර්ය මණ්ඩලය වෙනුවෙන් 2019 වර්ෂයේ උපාධි සැමරුම් උත්සවයට සපමිනි ඔබ සැම ඉතා උණුසුමව සාදරයෙන් පිළිගනිමි. කොළඹ විශ්වවිද්‍යාලයේ උපාධි අපේක්ෂකයන් වන ඔබට ආඩම්බර වීමට බොහෝ කාරණා ඇති අතර ඔබගේ ජයග්‍රහණය පිළිබඳව අප සියලු දෙනාම සැබවින්ම සතුටු වන්නෙමු. කොළඹ විශ්වවිද්‍යාලයේ විද්‍යාර්ථීන් ලෙස COVID-19 වසංගතය හමුවේ අභියෝගවලට මුහුණ දීමේදී ඔබ විසින් විදහා දක්වන ලද දරා ගැනීමේ හැකියාව සහ ඉවසීමේ හැකියාව අගය කිරීමට මම මේ අවස්ථාවක් කරගනිමි. ආදරණීය දෙමව්පියනි, හිතවතුනි, මිත්‍රවරුනි, අප සුන්දර දිවයිනේ අනාගත පරපුර වෙනුවෙන් ඔබ විසින් දරන ලද වෙහෙස සහ දුටු සිහින මල්පර දරන අන්තම දැක ගැනීමට ලැබෙන අද දිනය ඔබගේ ජීවිතයේ අමතක නොවන මොහොතක් බව නොඅනුමානයි. ඔබ සියලු දෙනාට සදා අනුස්මරණීය දිනයක් ප්‍රාර්ථනා කරමි. සියලු සෞඛ්‍ය මාර්ගෝපදේශ පිළිපදමින් සුරක්ෂිතව පසුවන මෙන් ඔබ සැමගෙන් කාරුණිකව ඉල්ලා සිටිමි. ස්තුතියි. கொழும்பு பல்கலைக்கழகத்தின் வேந்தர் பேரவை உறுப்பினர்கள், வளாகத்த லைவர், பீடாதிபதிகள், பன்னித்தார்கள், பதிவாளர், நிதியாளர், பதில்நூர்கள், கல்வியாளர்கள் மற்றும் உதவி ஊழியர்கள் சார்பாக உங்கள் ஒவ்வொருவருக்கும் 2019 ஆண்டிற்கான சம்பிரதாயபூர்வமான பொது பட்டம் விழுவிக்க அன்புடன் வரவேற்கிறேன். கொழும்பு பல்கலைக்கழகத்தில் பட்டதாரிகளான உங்களுக்கு பரமைப்படுவதற்கு நீர் வடிவங்கள் இருக்கிறது. உங்கள் சாதனைகள் குறித்து நாங்கள் மிகவும் අධික්‍රෝම් කොළඹ පල්හලේ කලහිත්තින් திறமையான பட்டாதி காலாக உருவாக்கிய நீங்கள் கோவிட்-19 பல சவால்களை சமாளிக்க உங்களின் பின்னே மற்ற சகிப்புத்தமே அங்கீகரிக்கவும் இந்த வாய்ப்பை பயன்படுத்த ஹரேன். அன்பான பெற்றோர்களே, நலல் விம்புகளே மற்றும் நந்தைகளே, எங்கள் அழகான தீவின் வடிவத்துக்கும் தலைமுறுக்க உங்கள் கடின உழைப்பு மற்றும் கனவல் நிறைவேற்றப்படதற்கான இது உங்கள் வாழ்க்கையில் மறக்க முடியாத ஒரு திருநாள் முன்க. பாதுகாப்பாக இருங்கள் மற்றும் ஒவ்வொரு சுகாதார விதிகளையும் பின்பற்றவும். நன்றி. On behalf of the Chancellor, members of the Council, Rector, Deans, Directors, Registrar, Bursa, Acting Librarian, academic and support staff of the University of Colombo, I extend to each and every one of you a very warm welcome to the General Convocation Ceremony of 2019. To these graduates of the University of Colombo, you have so much to be proud of, and we are indeed so delighted about your achievements. I also take this opportunity to recognize your resilience and tolerance of coping with many challenges of COVID-19 as true products of the University of Colombo. Dear parents, well-wishers and friends, this is an unforgettable moment in your life to witness the fulfillment of your hard work and dreams for the upcoming generation of our beautiful island. I wish you a memorable ceremony. Stay safe and please adhere to every health rule. I also take this opportunity to invite our guest speaker to deliver the ceremonial graduation speech. And I believe she is online, joining us on the virtual mode. And it's none other than Professor Thusita Abetunga. Permit me to read out a citation. Thusita Abetunga is a senior professor attached to the Department of Chemistry, University of Sri Lanka, Colombo, Sri Lanka. She read for her PhD at the University of Arizona, USA, on synthetic organic chemistry. Apart from the regular teaching and research work at the Department of Chemistry, she was instrumental in starting the MSc in Applied Organic Chemistry program, which created an opportunity for the graduates in Sri Lanka to pursue their postgraduate studies. She supported commercialization of research at the Faculty of Science by establishing Colombo Science and Technology Cell, called the Cell, at the Faculty of Science. At university level, she worked as the director at the Operational Technical Secretariat, OTS, under the Higher Education for 21st Century, HETC project, which was funded by World Bank. At present, she is working as the lead academic expert on research and innovation under the Ministry of Education on accelerating higher education expansion and development AHEAD, which is an operation funded by the World Bank. Under the AHEAD operation, University Business Linkage, UBL, cells which act as technology knowledge transfer officers were established in all state universities in Sri Lanka. Madam Professor Thusita Abetunga, the floor is yours.
Dear graduates who are specialized in subject areas in social sciences and humanities, and the parents, all the parents and the guardians who helped you to come this far. Let me congratulate all of you on this very special day in your life. It would have been nice to see all your happy faces, but I'm recording this and I'm wishing you the very best in your future. You will leave this hall with lot of hopes for the future, a good job, a happy family, and much more. So I decided to share a few stories with you during this speech so that you can take some take-home lessons when you leave this hall. So let me start with this simple story about a 12-year boy named Henry from Los Angeles, USA. When the pandemic started in 2020, he was confined to his home and he had pets to play with, but no friends around, and he was bored to death. And Henry loves baking. He also loves chocolates. So he decided to make these special chocolates at home. And he decided to start a chocolate company. Will it ever work? Because 12-year-old boy making chocolates and not eating them? But he was successful, and what this shows is the fact that Henry had a lot of self-discipline and commitment. So the parents who are listening to this speech must be thinking, you didn't want your son or the daughter to come to University of Colombo and finish a degree and start a chocolate company. However, please think that this boy is just 12 years old. Your son or your daughter finished the degree and they have a lot of exposure. They have read well. So they can do unimaginable things with the knowledge that they have gained so far. So remember, these are unpredictable times and these crisis situations foster entrepreneurship. Now the next story is about a company making exercise machines. The name of the company is Peloton. In 2020, as you know very well, people were homebound. They were working from home, online teaching, online learning, and even private sector, they were doing most of their work online. So there was a great demand for these exercise machines. And in 2020, the company profit skyrocketed due to this massive demographic change of population doing exercises while working from home. So what does it tell us? It is the timing that helped this company, Peloton, to increase their profit. So this tells us timing is very important, and also we need to look around for new opportunities. Let us look at another example, the familiar Uber Eats. When you work from home, you get your food delivered to your home or sometimes to your office. So this tells us that there are new opportunities in front of us. So when you look around for a job or engaging in these entrepreneurial activities, we need to think differently and we need to look around for new opportunities around us. Because the audience is from social sciences and humanities, I thought it is appropriate to draw your attention to this organization called Aspect in UK. What they are trying to do is they are trying to connect the academics in social sciences and humanities with industry and private sector to transform the society through social science innovations. And Professor Julia Black is heading this organization now. She's from London School of Economics and Political Science. I quote, although most social science research projects cannot be patented, the outcome of social science research can be commercialized if you describe your research properly to show the impact. So what this tells us is that social sciences and humanities, the research that you all have done as undergraduates can be taken to market if you think differently, and also not only to make money but to help the society. All right, so what options do you have? Let me take you back to 1971 and talk about this student who was studying at Portland State University in USA. So his professor at his university wanted her to design a logo for his business. And this student also needed some money. I'm sure it's familiar to all of you. So she decided to accept the offer. She was given only $2 an hour and she was giving designs, and the professor is not happy. So she kept on working on it, and finally she came up with this logo right in front of you, red tick mark. I'm sure you're familiar with this mark because you have seen it. Maybe think about the shoes some of you are wearing. So this is referred to as swoosh, the Nike logo. So, as you know, today Nike is one of the most recognizable brands in the world. But you saw just a little while ago that the student name is Caroline. Caroline was not paid much. However, many years later, Nike arranged a reception for Caroline. So she was given this logo in gold and 500 shares of the company. And at the time of the award, the shares were about $150, but now it may be millions worth logo. So what does it tell us? This creation of this logo involved imagination, creativity, and also perseverance. And this tells us that imagination and creativity can really help us in the commercial world. And this is something that you all, as social sciences and humanities students, you can do better than STEM students. So with this background, let us look at this word valorization. I'm sure you're familiar with this word. If not, valorization means you create social or economic value from scientific knowledge. But have you ever heard of valorization in social sciences and humanities? If not, please Google valorization at University of Amsterdam. When you Google it, you will get this book that they have published where they talk about how to undertake social science and humanities research to help the society or industry. Who knows, you have done your research projects as special degree students in many disciplines in the arts faculty. So you may be able to use this guide and see something differently so that you can make use of the research that you have done at the University of Colombo. As I understand, your area of studies involves understanding humans, human behavior, human relations. So I thought I will end my talk by referring to this example from social entrepreneurship. Again, I will take you back to 1970s, this time to Bangladesh, a country close to us. There was this Professor Yunus, Professor of Economics at the University of Chittagong. So in 1970s, when Bangladesh suffered this famine, he thought he needed to do something beyond his simple teaching duty at the university. So he decided to give long-term loans to people who wanted to start their own businesses. And then later, he extended this using this Grameen Bank. And Professor Muhammad Yunus was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 2006 for their efforts to create economic and social development from below. So these microfinancing models, as you know, are helping millions and billions of people in the world. So I'm sure as fresh graduates from social sciences and humanities, you will also be able to come up with different models to help the society, because today all the people in the world, not only in Sri Lanka, they are facing a lot of hardships. So you can think differently and maybe think of these social entrepreneurship models as well. So let me end my talk stating that I'm sure all of you have innovative ideas and the vigor necessary to help communities experience this social trauma due to limited access to food or maybe environmental issues and things like that, through community-led, community-driven support system to get them out of poverty. So I wish you good health, wealth, and most importantly, the happiness in the years to come. Thank you very much. And I like to take this opportunity to thank the Vice Chancellor, University of Colombo, for giving me this opportunity to address you and to wish you the very best. Thank you.
සභාව සනාතන සභාවේ නිර්දේශය මත ශාස්ත්‍ර පීඨයේ පීඨාධිපති විසින් උපස්ථිතේ හා අනුපස්ථිතේ ඉදිරිපත් කරනු ලබන බවතුන් වෙත ශාස්ත්‍රවේදී විශේෂ උපාධිය ප්‍රදානය කිරීමට තීරණය කොට ඇති බව ගෞරවයෙන් ප්‍රකාශ කර සිටිමි.
வணக்கத்துக்குரிய வேந்தர் அவர்களே, மூதவையின் விதப்புரையின் பேரில் கொழும்பு பல்கலைக்கழக பேரவை கலை பீடாதிபதியினால் சமர்ப்பிக்கப்படும் பெயர்களை உடையோருக்கு நேர் சமூகத்திலும் சமூகம் இல்லாமலும் கலைமானி விசேட பட்டத்தினை வழங்குவதற்கு தீர்மானித்துள்ளமையை தங்களுக்கு கௌரவத்துடன் அறிய தருகிறேன்.
Venerable Chancellor, I have the honor to announce that the Council of the University of Colombo, on the recommendation of the Senate, has resolved that the degree of Bachelor of Arts Specialized be conferred on those to be presented in person and in absentia by the representative of the Dean, Faculty of Arts.
Venerable Chancellor, I have the honor of presenting the following for the conferment for the Bachelor of Arts Specialized. Abhenayaka MAD. Akurana AGMK. Alvis PKAT. Amrari UPMC. Arachi RHH. Arshada MSF. Atukorala AISK. Bandara PGM. Bandara DMMN. Bandara NHAPC. Bandara WRTN. Bandara AMRD. Bandula UGPN. Bhagya AVGP. Chalika PHN. Chamali LHU. Chandramali HAS. Charuni NWGGAGC. Chaturika KN. Constant 9 RS. Kure PLNN. Kure PLRM. Damayanti PKN. Venerable Damitasiri B. Damnuan GKR. Damsara EKK. Dariju BHR. Devapriya HZAG. De Silva MK. De Silva T. De Silva AHSD. De Silva KDM. De Silva RL. De Silva SWCL. De Silva EMV. De Silva LHE. Devasiri DNH. De Soisa PDM. De De Soisa WPL, Dharmadasa DMTSD, Dharmasena MD, Dharmasiri DSC, Dilakshika HMA, Dilka WSN, Dilrukshi HKA, Dilrukshi GAD, Dilrukshi EGC, Dilrukshi JMA, Dilrukshi SAK, Disanayaka DMHS, Dulanji KSI, Edrimana BN, Edrisinghe DIP, APA NE, Erandi DDU, Fernando WAI, Fonseca WDS, Fonseca ASS, Gajanayaka PGRID, Gamage MN, Gamage SSP, Gangani AKD, Gayanti KMA, Geetanjali HASU, Gunadasa GWD, Gunasekara RCW. Gunawardana MBHSM. Gunawardana HLRM. Gunawardana AW. Habaragamuwa HRNR. Hadapangoda R. Hansani SDSK. Hansani WC. Hansika KAD. Hansika WGT. Hapuarachi HASK. Harshani NAK. Harshani EGD. Harshika HGG. Hasanti DMM. Hasini MK. Haturusingha HMMS. Herath DHMHD. Herath HPVP. Hettiarachi PM. Hettiarachi HALR. Hettiarachi HADASS. Hettiarachi DR. Hirunika KADS. Ilangaratna CS. Ishara BAS. Smile FN. Jaratna NSWPG. Jayasekara KHM. Jayasinghe JATW, Jayatilaka PPG, Jayavira KAKC, Jayavikrama MBA, Kalpani LAN, Kaluvila NM, Karunadasa NPDKD, Karunamurthy A, Karunaratna AHMIAS, Karuna Singha MPC, Kaushalya GN, Kaushalya IGDP, Krishna Soban M, Kumara HMSP, Kumarapeli KASI, Kumaratunga SMSD, Kumari KLD, Kumari MKD, Kumari WGWN, Kumari MDP, Kumari WWR, Kumari AN, Kumari LS, Kumari ONP, Kumari AGK, Kumari PWSU, Kumudini LWW, Lakmal PLDH, Lakmal KBAD. Lakmali PGIS. Lakshita KBY. Lianarachi LAPD PK. Lianarachi LACD. Madhubhashini HWN. Madhurangi GAC. Madhurangi EH. Madhuranga EH. Madhusha HNPK. Madhushani MMS. Madhushani JAI. Madhushika MS. Madhushika PDS. Madhushani GWS. Madhushani PHC. Madhushani AGM. Madhushani DMG. Madhushani PI. Madhushika KP. Madhushika HAD. Madhuvanti KHDS. Madhuvanti LGT. Maheshi NHD. Maheshika JD. Malalasekara DSP. Malsra HGS. Mendis TSD. Mirandu MSE. Mudugamuwa MGDC. Mafina MMS. Munasingha SS. Mutumal MT, Nadika HDK, Nadida MNP, Nilanti HC, Nilavira LM, Nimasha GC, Niroshani RDN, Nisansala KKHP, Nisansala BKGD, Nisansala MHA, Nishadi WAM, Nulfa FMF, Padmasiri WHB, Patirana SHW, Padmasiri ALGSM, Piris APD, Premaratna WANR, Pereira EAUR, Pereira DSR, Pereira ENK, Pereira KGS, Pereira HAIB, Pereira ACM, Pereira WDI, Priyantan TA, Pitiyagedara PGGJ, Pradeepika KSL, Premananda HAL, Priyadarshini DNWS. Priyadarshini KPD. Priyadarshini MN. Priyanvada AP. Punyasiri SWVA. Rajapaksha RLNT. Rajapaksha TK. Rajapaksha RMDNP. Rajapaksha RMST. Raji FYI. Ranasinghe KI. Ranasinghe JRS. Ranavira JKC. Rasangi BTC. Rashmika VR. Rasika KA. Ratnayaka RMRN. Raveen KA. Subhasingha AM. Rukmani Devi K. Saman Mali JGC. Samarkon SJMAJ. Samarasinghe PI. Samarasinghe GJK. Samaravira HR. Venerable Samita M. Sampath GN. Sandamali KKVN. Sandaruwan KML. Sandaruwani SDID. Sandruvani BAD, Sandipani MBH, Sanjeeva PhD, Sarachandra WAND, Sarachandra RMMDN, Senanayaka SMWSM, Senanayaka HRCT, Seniviratna PDS, Sevandi MGS, Sevandi AGN, Silva AMPM, Silva KMWJ, Silapullet TN, Sirivardhana KDRS, Sirivardhana KVCM, Soisa WRP, Subodhani HD, Sudarshani HAJ, Thamali JAL, Taraka KADPK, Taruka KDKY, Tilakaratne MGAUS, Tirini MGD, Timisara BKDR, Udayanka RLV, Upamali NPA, Vidusha ML, Virajini HAKD, Vitanage VGSK, Vajira HRHJ. Valimuni WDWS. Vanyarachi NS. Varnakula Surya WMN. Veerakon WRMNA. Velaratna WGHA. Veravela KG. Vikramanayaka UO. Vijayaratna IU. Vijay Singh DHJ. Vijay Singh RPPGAS. Vijay Singh ICS. Vijay Singh RA. Vijay Tunga LK. Vijayavardhana GNM. Vimalaratna MHMG. Vitanage WDND. Yashokumari IDSN. Thank you.
කුලපති ස්වාමීන්ද්‍රයන් වහන්සේ කොළඹ විශ්වවිද්‍යාලයේ පාලක සභාව සනාතන සභාවේ නිර්දේශය මත මම විසින් ඉදිරිපත් කරනු ලබන බවතුන් වෙත ඔවුන් විසින් දක්වන ලද කුසලතා මත රන් පදක්කම් සහ ත්‍යාග ප්‍රදාන කිරීමට තීරණය කොට ඇති බව ගෞරවයෙන් ප්‍රකාශ කරමි.
வணக்கத்துக்குரிய வேந்தர் அவர்களே, மூதவையின் விருதப்புரையின் பேரில் கொழும்பு பல்கலைக்கழக பேரவை அதிர் உயர் திறமைகளை வெளிப்படுத்திய பின்வருவோருக்கு தங்க பதக்கங்களையும் பரிசில்களையும் வழங்குவதற்கு தீர்மானத்தின்மையை தங்களுக்கு கௌரவத்துடன் அறியத் தருகிறேன்.
Venerable Chancellor, I have the honor to announce that the Council of the University of Colombo, on the recommendation of the Senate, has resolved that the gold medals and prizes be awarded to those presented for having achieved the highest standard of excellence. Neil Bandaranayaka Memorial Prize, R. Handapangoda. Professor M.B. Aryapala Award for Sinhala, R. Handapangoda. Kalabhushana Donu Devindu Muhurti Memorial Prize for the Best Performance in Sinhala, R. Handapangoda. Kalabhushana Donu Devindu Muhurti Memorial Award for the Best Dissertation in Sinhala, R. Handapangoda. Professor G.D. Vijayawardena Prize for Classical Sinhala Literature, R. Handapangoda. Professor Kusuma Karunaratna Award for Modern Sinhala Literature, A.G.M. Madhushani. Martin Wickramasinghe Memorial Prize for the Best Dissertation in Modern Sinhala Literature, H.D.K. Nadika. Professor M.B. Aryapala Memorial Prize for the Best Dissertation in Classical Sinhala Literature, M.G.S. Sewandi. Leshan Award for Political Science, H.A.S.U. Geethanjali. Professor Yogambikai Rasanayagam, Gold Medal in Geography, ICS Vijayasinghe. Professor K.P. Siddhisena Award for the Special Degree in Demography, RPPGAS Vijayasinghe. The Department of English, University of Colombo Award for the Best Student of the Special Degree in English, LADPK Liyanarachi. Department of English, University of Colombo Award for the Best Undergraduate Dissertation, R.S. Constantine and LADPK Liyanarachi awarded jointly. M.W. Jayasuriya Memorial Prize for Economics, R.M.R.N. Ratnayaka. Professor of Economics, Gold Medal for Economics, R.M. Ratnayaka. The best first-year student in Economics, H.A.J. Sudarshani. The best second-year student in Economics, E.A.U.R. Pereira. The best third-year student in Economics, R.M.R.N. Ratnayaka. The best student in Economics in the Financial and Banking stream, J.R.S. Ranasinghe. The best student in Economics in the Trade and Industry stream, M.A.D. Abenayaka. The best student in Economics in the Transport, Economics and Commercial Shipping stream, A.M.R.D. Bandara. The best student in Economics in the Economic Theory and Application stream, M.G.A.U.S. Tilakaratna. The best student in Economics in the Development Policy and Management stream, H.A.J. Sudarshani. The best student in Economics, E.A.U.R. Pereira. Professor Tilak Hettiarachchi Award for the Most Outstanding Student of the Faculty of Arts, K.G. Veeravella.
කුලපති වශයෙන් මාවත පැවරිය ඇති බරතල අනුව දැන් නම් කරන ලද බවතුන් වෙත ශාස්ත්‍රවේදී විශේෂ උපාධිය ප්‍රදානය කළ බව සනාථ කරමි. By authority vested in me as Chancellor, I confer upon those whose names have been read the degree of Bachelor of Arts.
வேந்தர் என்னும் தகமையினால் எனக்கு அளிக்கப்பட்டுள்ள அதிகாரத்தின்படி தற்போது வாசிக்கப்பட்ட பெயர்களுடையவருக்கு கலைமானி விசேட பட்டம் வழங்கப்பட்டமையை உறுதிப்படுத்துகிறேன்.
කොළඹ විශ්වවිද්‍යාලයේ 2019 වසරේ උපාය සැපයුම් උත්සවයේ මෙම සතිවාරයේ කල් දැමූ බව ප්‍රකාශ කරමි. I now declare the current season of the year 2019 ceremonial graduation of the University of Colombo is adjourned.
கொழும்பு பல்கலைக்கழக 2019 ஆண்டிற்கான சம்பிரதாயபூர்வமான பட்டமளிப்பு வைபவத்தின் தற்போதைய அமர்வு இத்தால் பிற்போடப்படுகிறது என்பதை நான் பிரகடனப்படுத்துகிறேன்.